Good morning, children. Welcome to a new day. Okay, children, so today we are going to learn in what ways does these farm animals help us. So let's see what does these farm animal give us. This is a cow. Cow is a farm animal. And what does the cow give us? Milk to keep our body healthy. Okay? This is a goat. Goat is a farm animal. And what does the goat give us? It gives us milk and meat. Milk and meat, that is mutton. This is a sheep. Sheep is a farm animal. And what does the sheep give us? It gives us wool, and from that wool we make sweaters. Yes, to keep our body warm. This is a horse. Horse is a farm animal. And let's see how does the horse help us. Okay, now children, this is a farmer who is sitting on the horse. Okay, it helps the farmer to go from one place to another on his farm to see all his animals. Okay, and children, can you see this picture? This child is sitting on the horse and having a nice horse ride. Yes, many of you all must have sat on a horse for a horse ride. Yes? Okay. And children, this one, can you see this picture here? Yes? This is a picture of a horse carriage which helps us to go from one place to another. Okay? Now let's see the next farm animal. This is a pig. And how does the pig help us? Okay, the pig eats all the waste and the dirt. Okay, this is a hen. And what does the hen give us? It gives us eggs. It gives us eggs and meat. This is a duck. Duck is a farm animal. What does the duck give us? Duck gives us egg and meat. Okay? So children, keep revising the farm animals and how do they help us. Okay? Thank you.